Hello to everybody, to all of our subscribers. The FutureTrend channel is again with you, and today, as you know, is the day of publication of United States Payrolls report. Also, there is another very important event, the appearance of United States Federal Reserve System head, Mr. Jerome Powell. We'd like to say one very important thing that, first of all, of course, there is a kind of continuous trading tensions between the United States and China. And yesterday, Donald Trump told that he'd like to prepare another portion of new tariffs of imported Chinese goods on the amount around $100 billion. Of course, from this point of view, that's a factor of continuous trade tensions between two economic powers. At the same time, we'd like to note that Jerome Powell, at the moment of his appearance, will have all the information about United States payrolls report. And from this point of view, his speech will be particularly important to evaluate the nearest future of the United States monetary policy. How much times the Federal Reserve will hike the rates during the course of 2018? It's very important not just for the foreign exchange market, but for the stock market itself. And here we should understand one kind of very important moment. We know that trade tensions, rising trade wars between the economic powers should lower expectation of higher stock indices. And we should understand that rising risk aversion fears should have a dampening effect on the stock market. But we have also to understand another important thing, that in case of much higher economic numbers regarding the employment situation in the United States, for example, the unemployment rate goes much lower than expected, and what's very important, average hourly earnings should rise above 0.3% of expectations, for example 0.4, 0.5. That will mean that probably the Fed should reconsider his strategy regarding the monetary policy in the United States and should quicken its pace of tightening during the course of 2018. From this point of view, that will be another dampening effect for the stock market. And here we should understand that from one point of view, of course, it's a supporting factor for the United States dollar. But from another point of view, we should understand that from a point of view of rising risk aversion fears, for example, the yen, Japanese yen, should appreciate against the United States dollar, for example. So here it's a little bit more complicated situation. Anyway, some later, after the publication of United States payrolls report and the speech of Jerome Powell, we will come with with updating regarding our strategy, and we will try to explain our position and to reconsider the situation, to reevaluate the situation, depending on the final results. And as regards the situation, you can see that among the major currencies we are especially short against the United States dollar. We are long euro dollar, we are short dollar yen, and we are short dollar Swiss. As regarding the cable, we entered a small short yesterday, but we were stopped out at 39.17 and now prefer to stand aside because our accumulated position, short position against in United States dollar at the moment is enough, and probably we have to reevaluate the situation and to wait for today's economic numbers before taking another decision. Some later we will come with our report regarding euro crosses and strategy of commodity block of currencies. Stay with us. It was the Future Trend channel with you. Bye bye for now.